So now we've got some problems to think about and some for you to try down here below. We're still kind of dealing with kind of a wrap up, but this first one's dealing with the subsets and proper subsets, that kind of thing. And then we've got some practice writing these out. Let me get you started, kind of walk through the definitions, and I want you to give these a try. So for this first one, this means a proper subset. So I know that Q is a proper subset of R. I also know that R has 15 elements. That's what that means. The cardinality of R, the number of elements of R is 15. So we need to answer the following questions. And then down below, you're going to write out in set notation. So you're going to write things, in brackets down here below. Practice out that listing method. I know I've been doing it a lot throughout the videos. Now it's time for you to practice. I haven't worked one like this. Not a subset. Anytime we see the word not, we just cross a line through it. So I'll tell you, that's our symbol for not a subset. We could do that with anything. I'm just going to scooch back up. I know it's a long way. At the beginning, I said, where is it? Oh, element. That was our symbol for element. You also could have not an element. Sometimes that comes up in the homework. So whenever we put the cross through it, that just means not. All right, so go ahead and hit pause and give these guys a shot. Let's see how you did. To be a proper subset, you have to be smaller. That's by the definition. So we cannot have 15. We have to be a little bit smaller. So the highest number is 14. Now, I'm not saying we have 14, but that's just the most we possibly could have. We can't have 15 because we have to be smaller than the number 15. Now, I don't know how many we have, but I do know that that empty set is a subset. It's also a proper subset. So I could have none. So I could have no elements in Q, and that would also work. So to be a proper subset, you could have anywhere from 0 up to 1 less. So 0 up to 14. Now, if I changed my symbol, that would change me from a proper subset to a regular subset. What that would do is my max would now be 15, because now they can be equal. They couldn't be equal before. When they were a proper subset, they could not be equal. When it is a regular subset, we put that equal sign at the bottom, so we can be equal. The minimum is still 0. The minimum is always going to be 0 because we can have that empty set. And then down here for set notation, the set containing K, remember that's the name of our set, is a capital letter, are all the letters in the word coastal. So COASTNL. Notice I didn't write the A again. That's because we cannot repeat letters. We went over that, I know it was several videos ago, but we cannot repeat letters or numbers or any elements. You can't repeat any elements in set notation. All right, the set containing 4 and 5 is not a subset of the set containing 1, 2, and 3. Please reach out if you have any questions over these at all. If you didn't get them and you're still not quite sure what was going on with these guys.